Good morning. Day 2 of hot tent testing. It is 21 degrees Fahrenheit, -8 Celsius. We're going to get a fire started, we're going to cook some breakfast, and we're going to spend most of the day out in this hot tent. Ooh. No! Fail. 1 egg. 1.5 eggs remain. Well, I already ate the Canadian bacon, so now time for the eggs. Warming up the hot tent. I think I'm going to lay down and get a feel for this sleep setup and read a little bit. Reading the book Stiff, The Curious Life of Human Cadavers. I'm going to enjoy this book a little bit, and then it is time to prepare dinner. Then I think we need to gather some more wood. I've been going through a lot of wood today and hunker down for the evening. So far with my sleep setup, I have noticed a few things. I need to move away from this door. There's a cold draft coming in. Heat rises, so the top of the tent is in the 70s, but down here it's probably in the 40s or 50s. So I'm going to need to move closer to the stove, or I could bring in the propane heater. I haven't tried that yet in a hot tent. Next, I'm noticing that I'm going to definitely need a warmer sleeping bag for when I go out into the field. This is rated at 29 degrees Fahrenheit, and I think the lowest it was rated for like survival was 18 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to need something that goes much lower than that. I am noticing though that this Exped sleep mat that I have is shielding me from the ground. I am not feeling any kind of coldness coming through, and also I'm a side sleeper, and this pad is great for back sleepers or side sleepers. I don't feel the ground at all. And there's probably only like 2 inches of air that I had to blow into it. So far, so good. I'm going to enjoy this book. And then I think I am going to get dinner ready. We have about an hour until the sun goes down, and there is more snow in the forecast for tonight. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to stay the night in the tent tonight. I do have overnight help with the boys, my newborn babies. So I, in theory, could, and I feel like I should, but we'll see if it snows. And if it does end up snowing, I'll make an entire fresh video chronicling that. If you have not seen my first burn of my Pomoly T1 Ultra, I will put that right here. And I have all of my hot tent camping videos linked in a playlist right over here. We'll catch you later.